Manisaran. I am from Ashtrix School of Robotics, Nagar. I am from 9th standard. Today I am going to present my project, PAR sensor-based automatic traffic signal system. The main problem is, in many traffic signal areas, it works with fixed time intervals and also it creates unnecessary waiting time. The manual work requires human effort. In my show, I have created this project to reduce the time and make the signals automatic. I have used Arduino and PAR sensor. First, the red light will turn on and it will turn into green light. Then after a few seconds, the green will turn into yellow. Then after again, it will turn into red. Then this process cycle repeats automatically. So it takes exactly 30 seconds to convert into a green signal in this both traffic pole. So the main aim of this project is to reduce the time and make the signals automatic. In future, sensors can be more used to convert the traffic signals efficient and more smart. Thank you.